Okay, so you're going to go to cad.onshape.com, so not to the public domain. Okay, and you know that you're in the public domain because it doesn't say Woodrow Wilson High School anymore, so then you're going to put in your email and your password as you would, and then sign in. Once you're in the public Onshape, you're going to create a document, and we're just going to name this your last name and the name of the app that we're adding on, which is called the Threadcreator, and then hit OK. Okay, once you get into the document, you're going to click this plus button right here that says the Add Custom Features, and then you're going to search the app called Threadcreator, and then there are going to be multiple versions. So the version that you're going to get will be version 2, V2. You can click that and then click on the Threadcreator. And it says custom feature of Threadcreator was added to your toolbar. And it should be, if you do not see it up here, you can search your toolbar, so Threadcreator, and it should pop right up. And that is how you will be able to create threads on your next assignment.